As the vocalist of Radiohead once famously said, I walk through walls. But does he? Can Thom Yorke of Radiohead actually walk through walls? The answer is yes, if he's a fourth-dimensional being. Let me explain. So if I were to ask you, how many spatial dimensions are there in our world, you'd probably reply with, what? Which is an answer, but the correct answer to that question would be 3, named X, Y, and Z. And as 3D beings, we are only able to move and think in these 3 dimensions. Now, take a look at Bob here. Hey, Bob is a guy living in a 2-dimensional space, meaning that he exists within the spatial dimensions of X and Y. Now, take a look at this wall. As someone who can only move in 2 dimensions, Bob cannot possibly walk through it. But me, as a 3-dimensional guy looking down at Bob in disappointment, I say, boom! And now Bob's on the other side of the wall, totally thrown off by what just happened. To him, it was magical. Notice how I could outright see what's behind the wall, while Bob couldn't. This kind of gets me thinking, what if the same could be applied to our world? What if there's a 4-dimensional dude looking down at me in disappointment? Well, in that case, theoretically, he would be able to literally see through our 3D walls. Not only that, but he could also, you guessed it, walk right through them. More specifically, walk his way around them through the 4th dimension. So, did Tom lie about his abilities to walk through walls? Maybe, but perhaps he just has one more dimension to work with. Peace out.